welcome back to another episode of a swipe. I'm enjoying these swipes, so I'm going to carry on doing them. I learnt a new recipe today. I watched a video by G Pause. Highly recommend this channel. Definitely go and check him out. It was a recipe for a cell activator that used acrylic ink, and I forgot about. I bought some a couple of weeks ago and never got around to using it. Completely forgot about it, and then as soon as I watched it, I remembered, and I had all the ingredients, so I tried it out, and it really works really well. And the lacing is getting better. Definitely. I should be doing this a lot more. I wanted to do a nice bright swipe. There we go. Trying desperately not to muck it up. I just used the packaging from the Amsterdam colours that I got recently. Just cut it up and use it as a swipe. I thought I'd try something different. It goes all like pixelated, look. I quite like that look. It reminds me of like early Atari games, that kind of thing. Now I weren't too sure what I was going to try and do, to be honest. And then I started just trying anything to fill them gaps up. And I didn't like the way it was going. I tried fiddling around with it more and pulling it around and spinning it and just anything. And I wasn't happy with it, and I didn't want to. I really liked the swipe. I didn't want to get rid of it. So I thought, well, the best thing to do is just carry on, see what I can come up with. And I still weren't happy. Nope, still not happy. So I'll give it a quick blast. Try and put a bit more colour up there. But it still wasn't right. It just wasn't right. Putting some more of that antique gold in that, because I knew the blue was in there, and I thought, oh, it looked really nice together. I'm still not happy with it. Nope. So what do? Pour back paint all around the sides again. Just push that bit off. I didn't like the top bit, so I got rid of it. And then I just decided to stretch it out. And it worked. I'm really pleased with it. Should have done it first, it'd have been a lot easier. Now I know. It looks gorgeous. Just love that swipe, the way it goes all into different colours. You can see the black there. That's what it looks like under the lights where I do the video in. That blue and gold part there, it looks like an eclipse. You'll see it. Like an eclipse from space. Look, top left. I think that looks great. Well, I'm happy with it. But let me know in the comments if you do like it or if you don't like it. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, share, press like. Take care of yourselves and bye-bye.